Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be starting a new series. It is going to be a thrift flip series. So I have some items here. I'm going to show you guys what they all look like beforehand, and I'm going to be bleach tie-dyeing today. So some of these things are just old shirts that have been in my closet forever, and other ones I got thrifting. So I have this Bob Dylan shirt. This one is going to be bleach dyed, and then I'm doing a video on cutting materials, so that one will be going up after this one, but that one's also going to get cropped. And then I have this one that's in my closet, and it's Oh What a Night. It's a Jersey Boys shirt, and I just thought this would look better with the bleach dye because it already has the red star, so it'll be really nice once it's dyed. And then my other one that I already had was this Stranger Things shirt. This one's also going to get cropped, but I'm going to bleach dye it as well. Once again with the red, I just thought it would look nice. And then I have this pink t-shirt that I thrifted a while back. It's just a plain pink t-shirt, and I want to bleach dye it. And then I have this Tommy Hilfiger orange shirt. And I think once I bleach dye it, I'm going to crop it, and then I'm going to put patches on it to like add to it. I kind of want to write like Alpha Tau on it, and like these really cool patches that are like different colors and they have black outlines on them. I found them on Amazon, so we'll see what that one ends up being. And then I have this blue shirt that I got thrifting. It's just a plain blue t-shirt. So I'm going to rubber band them up, and I'll see you guys once I do that. And I will also like take you guys through what I'm using in my bleach mixture, because a lot of videos don't do that, and I want to give you guys like the full thing because there are a lot of videos about bleach dyeing already. So I'll see you guys once I have them rubber band up. So here are the shirts. We have the Oh What a Night and the Tommy Hilfiger one are both scrunched up. The pink one is done in the like twisty design. This blue one is like an accordion fold design. The Stranger Things one, I just picked it up from the middle and then twisted it and put some rubber bands on it. And then for the Bob Dylan one, I just accordion folded it from like multiple different ways. So there's different like accordion folds in it. So once I get my bleach mixture, which is a 2 parts bleach to 1 part water mixture, I will film me spraying them, so that will be happening momentarily. So this is what they look like after they're rinsed out. Now I'm going to take them and put them in the washer and then dry them, and I'll show you guys the finished product. I'm so happy with the Stranger Things one, the Oh What a Night one. They look so cool, and I'm kind of glad there's a lot more like bleach on the back of the Dylan shirt, so I like how I did it because it's like the graphic like still is kind of like intact, and the light blue one, like, it looks so cool right now. I hope this like keeps like the purple tints in it. The pink one I didn't do too much with, same with the Tommy one, but the Tommy one has way more on the back. But yeah, I'm going to go and put these in the wash now. Hey guys, what's up? So I have the ending for the Bleach dyed shirts. So I'm just going to show you what they look like front and back. This was the blue one. This is the front. This is the back. I really like the way this one turned out with like the pinky and the purples and everything in it. Next to the Tommy Hilfiger one. Here's the front. Here is the back. And then this pink one, it wasn't 100% cotton, so it didn't exactly turn out the way that I expected, but regardless, it still does have some lightning on it. I probably should have used a stronger blend of bleach for that one. And now the 3 black ones. Here is the Bob Dylan one. I actually like the way that the back of this one turned out more than the front, but that's okay. Then here is the Jersey Boys one, which I really love this one. It turned out really cool. And then last but not least, my favorite one, the Stranger Things one. It just turned out so neat, and it like looks so eerie, like for Stranger Things. So that is it for this video. If you would like to see more thrifting videos, thrift flips, whatever, or more of my beautiful face, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you do like thrift flips, thrifting, me bleach dyeing, or doing anything of that sort. And make sure you go follow me on all the social medias. The links will be in the description box down below, as well as the link to my latest story, as I am the editor-in-chief for my college newspaper and we are working all summer long. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!